All right, so welcome back, people. Just a quick update on KAHEIM Dixon scoring another brace versus Ipswich Town. Ipswich Town, yeah. Ipswich Town U2021. Another big match for KAHEIM Dixon. Another brace. That's why I'm me calculations. That's a start. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Never go. Me I show you go. Me I show you. One I go. Let me get still. So me I get the next one. Unfortunately, but me I show you. Yeah. So that is how much? 5 games, 6 goals, 3 assists so far in 2025. That's I'll consistently keep you guys updated. Brace versus Ipswich Town. First goal actually in opening the score line in the 90th minute. I'm telling you what happened. Basically, at the first goal, me I go show not as well. Keeper strike from way out, keeper parry to the right, and KAHEIM Dixon latch onto it. That's in the 90th minute to put them ahead. Then in the second half, again, in the second half, immediately, I think them are lead. How much they lead second half? They were leading 3-0 at halftime. And the second half, him opened the scoring again at the second half with the double on the 68th minute. Some quick thinking from the Charlton players. See Ellison threw the pass across the goal for Dixon, who slotted it in after a scramble in the box, made it 4-0. So KAHEIM Dixon with a brace, and Charlton Athletic defeated Ipswich Town 5 goals to 1 in that one. Ipswich scoring a lot of stage of the game. He didn't get any assists in this one, unfortunately. I always want to get an assist. Da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, but he didn't get any assists. So still remain on 3 assists, but gone now to 6 goals in 5 games. All right, so let me just bring up the video. It's just a quick update. Let me just bring up the video. That, that's a shot from the. That's a big style. Him up a latch on every time, all the time. He will latch on onto those. So that's the quick update. Nothing long, nothing, just one quick snap fast video. Anyways, big up yourself, people. Smash like the button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully, normally when time like we can get to see the full game, we have more information, more details. Unfortunately, for this game was played at Ipswich Town home ground. When the game played at their home ground, don't most of the time when I get no video coverage for it. But Charlton Athletic, I was able to watch their home games on their page. So I kind of like that. I like when they have home game because I'm able to watch all the full 90 minutes of football. But anyways, big up yourself. Go on the work, KAHEIM Dixon. Massive respect, people. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports. Out. God bless. All those who ask about Whisper, still injured. No update at this present moment. But no one's supposed to still start him start train. But I don't know if him start incorporate with the other players as yet, with the other U21 players as yet. So that's still question mark over that same way. I'll give you updates on that in due time. Big up on yourself, people. Smash that button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. Out. God bless. Boom. I mean.